Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this low quality to high quality video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to split it where I want the low quality to be. I'm going to make first I'm going to go to adjustments and I'm going to add in some particles. Then I am going to scale it down, not by a lot, like this much. Right click, create compound clip, and you're going to adjust it till it fits like the frame ratio. And this is the low quality part basically. And then I want to make this one high quality. It's not that hard to do. Copy and paste it, go to adjustments, go to curves, and you're going to do exactly the same thing that I'm doing right now. So on the left side, put it up, on the right side, put it down, and you're going to do that to all of the colors. Then you're going to go to effects and you're going to add in the blur effect to it. And adjust it to like around 40 to 50. Select the video, go to blend mode, and select color burn, if I'm not mistaken, or was it linear burn? I think it's linear burn actually. Then go to media, go to library, and add in a wide stock video. If it's too short, just freeze frame it. Then you're going to want to go to blend mode and select overlay. And on the video, go to adjustments, adjust the saturation, adjust the brightness, and then adjust the contrast of it as well. And then you're going to sharpen the video like that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.